In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix FPS and performance issues when gaming if you have the NVIDIA app. The first thing we want to do is head over down to the search box and type in NVIDIA Control Panel. Once you've clicked this, on the left, make sure you're at Manage 3D Settings and then ensure you are on Global Settings. All we need to do first is scroll all the way down until we see Shader Cache Size. Click on this and set it to disabled, and then in the bottom right, click apply. Once that's done, open the NVIDIA app, and on the left, you want to head over to the drivers tab. Now here, it's very important to now download the latest driver. If you're primarily a gamer, make sure that you're using the game ready driver, but if you don't and you primarily use your PC for software, you can use the studio driver. Once you've downloaded and installed your new driver and restarted your PC, what we need to do next is search for disk cleanup in the search bar at the bottom. If you have multiple hard drives, make sure that you have selected the main drive, which is most likely the C drive. Now with disk cleanup now open, what we need to do is make sure that DirectX shader cache option is selected. Once that's done, just click OK. It will ask if you want to permanently delete these files, just click delete files. After a couple of minutes, it will now complete, and then all we need to do now is go back to the NVIDIA control panel, head back over to Manage 3D Settings and go back to Shader Cache Size. And now what we need to do is go back to Driver Default. Click Apply, restart your PC, and hopefully your FPS issues should now be resolved. Thanks very much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.